6 Roof Maintenance Tips Every Homeowner Should Know. We came up with this list of roof maintenance tips to help homeowners keep early roof failure at bay. 1. Coat your roof with UV protection. In the U.S., southern states and Hawaii usually have high UV indices since they're near the equator. As such, one of the top preventive roof maintenance tips for homeowners is to use a roof coating. These are liquid-applied substances that act as an extra roofing membrane. 2. Trim your trees. One of the key steps on how to maintain a roof, and your lawn, too, is tree trimming. For starters, low-hanging branches can scratch away at a roof's outer protective layer. Larger branches may also keep pushing shingles or tiles, loosening them up. Over time, this constant contact can detach the shingles or tiles from their location. 3. Keep your gutters free of debris. Another key residential roof maintenance tip is to clean gutters at least twice a year. If there are loads of trees near your home, it's best to clean your gutters twice during the fall season. Cleaning your gutters is key to roof health since it's the gutters that collect rainwater. 4. Clean downspouts and tighten connections. Downspouts are vertical or angled drain pipes attached to gutters. They allow rainwater collected by the gutters to go straight into a drainage system or sewer. Like gutters, downspouts can also get clogged with debris, especially those without screens. So, make it a habit to check these spots whenever it rains. 5. Sweep away. Roof brooms come with long handles that let you sweep the outermost section of your roof from the ground. The brush-like ones are for sweeping larger debris, like leaves, while the scrubs are for algae or moss. Don't push with too much force, either, as this can dislodge shingles or tiles. 6. Get those plants off of your roof. Unless your roof is an actual green roof, you should remove vegetation as soon as they grow on your roof. As with sweeping, you can also remove vegetation growing along the edges of your roof. Leave those that require being on the roof itself in the hands of professional roofers. Follow these roof maintenance tips to extend your roof's life. There you have it, the ultimate list of roof maintenance tips to extend your roofing system's life. Visit the link below to get your free roofing quote now.